Welcome, my young apprentice, to this magical seat of learning, to this enchanted place of enlightenment and precious knowledge. But remember always that knowledge without imagination is nothing. Around the world, when Henry VIII was King of England, there were 3 different ways to make strong swords. In Europe, the swordsmiths in Milan, Toledo and Nuremberg heated up small balls of pure iron made in Sweden and bashed them together into the right shape. Then they baked their swords in powdered charcoal before plunging them into cold water to harden their edges.